Today we are visiting the Ekwulobia modern bus terminal that is located just very close to the Ekwulobia flyover and the road that goes down to Oko. Yes, gentlemen and ladies, we are going to move around the Ekwulobia modern bus terminal buildings and see the level of work they have done so far. Well, they are fast working on this site, but I would have preferred they focus all their energies on the flyover, adjoining roads, and the rest of them. The modern bus terminal work can come later. But if their capacity can carry everything at the same time, I don't have any issues with that. So, but the roads and the flyovers are more important. I'm not saying that they should abandon the modern bus terminal before some people will quote me wrongly. What I'm saying is that, our people travel a lot and they need to use that road. Okay, now this is the area that is allocated for the fire service according to information we receive. So this is the area, and this thing looks like a pit for servicing of vehicle. It looks like a pit for vehicle servicing and the rest of them. Well, let's see how it goes. Let's see, because we may not conclude until the work has gone to a certain level, or probably when the work is completed. But the face of the work is coming out gradually. Gradually, everything is coming out. So, but the building is quite big and large. I will show you the places that will be allocated to buses as companies. Places that will be allocated to companies where they will have their vehicles stationed. And this upstairs is for, shopping malls and the rest of them. Yes. So, but downstairs is specifically for, companies that will be allocated some certain, rooms or places that they can stay and do their businesses. I will show you the places that will be allocated for companies so that you get it clearer. Well, I'm sure there is not only shopping malls that will have the up. Of course, the building is two-story building, some places, and some other places is a one-story building. That is the way the building will be. So you can see the Ekwulobia flyover there and the position of the modern bus terminal. So let's keep moving around, and shortly we are going to drop down from here and we check out the other side. So this opening now you are seeing, this opening is the allocation for bus, as in companies, transport companies. So, but I know this modern bus terminal cannot be allocated to companies that are not serious. So they will accommodate very serious companies that knows what they are doing. That one, I am sure of that. So if your company is not serious with transportation business, don't bother coming. But if you know your company is good and you have packaged your company, I think this place is for you. So you see all these openings, they are for transportation companies. See all these ones, you can see them. The openings like this, they are for companies. So let's check out the other side of this magnificent area and building. This building is very big. People may not see the exact picture, but let's see how it goes. It's a very big building, and the area too is quite large. The bus terminal has been in existence. That's the whole area. It has been a bus park, or it has been a motor park, but now they are modernizing it to make it more functional and efficient. Yes, as usual, aside the fire service station that is located somewhere at the back, the place I showed you earlier, there is a fuel station, assigned to this place. All these things are contained in the contract details. I've once again showed you guys the contract details near the Ekwulobia flyover. That is where you will see all the details of the things that are contained in this modern bus terminal. Yes, I believe when this place is done and dusted, they should figure out a way of managing this place. A very serious, third party, or whichever way to manage this place, to make sure that it's always on top working condition, so that people will not, as usual, turn this place into another wasted effort. So management after construction and making it functional is very important. Keeping it neat and everything fully functional is very important. After investing heavily on such a project, there should also be a functional approach or practical approach in making this place sustainable. So now we are moving towards the end of the building, the other end. Like I told you, and like you have seen, the place is quite a very large place, and the building too is very gigantic. So you can see the ground. I'm looking from here to the ground. You can see the end of the building down there. The building has an L shape. It has an L shape. So we have moved from one end to the other end. And of course, there should be places where people can eat, a kind of restaurant, and eateries, of course, will be established here. But for sleeping over, a kind of lodging, I don't know yet. I doubt if it's going to have any lodging whatsoever. But for shopping mall, as in for places where you can shop, that one is very sure it is allocated here or is provided here. For eateries and restaurants where you can eat all sorts of well cooked food, they will be all here. Those ones I'm very, very sure of them. So, but as time goes on, if there are other things that we may need to know, time will reveal some of the things that we've not said. Thank you.